Democracy is all about giving power to the people.
There's lots of ways to get involved and get empowered. Let's see how some of you have been celebrating democracy.
In the House of Commons, you can normally find me sitting somewhere over there.
The reason you should learn about democracy is because it affects everything in your life.
Today we had a debate and we looked at the different points and views of that argument.
Well, you may not understand what rehabilitation is, but what we're trying to do is get them to change.
We have the freedom to voice our own opinions, and I think we're very lucky to have that.
What you may see on television, that's a show, it's a theatre, it's sort of two sides which come together for half an hour a week to do battle.
I've been speaking to young people in my area. They want action on climate change.
There's so much to do this week, but so little time.
It's our parliament, it's everybody's parliament. It's here for the people of the country.
I think the most important thing is to participate in democracy.
Make sure you get a teacher or a parent to sign you up so that you can receive a free UK Parliament Week kit.
UK Parliament is yours.
It's your UK Parliament.